Welcome to U.S. Immigration. U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services and Consulates released the Visa Prioritization Order for processing U.S. visa. 20,000 new interview waiver slots for U.S. visa is added in many consulates for spring 2022. The U.S. State Department made this important change in its visa interview waiver program to ease the process of visa stamping for many categories of immigrant and non-immigrant visa holders. The measure gives immediate relief to several visa holders. If you are interested in these topics, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit that notification bell. Let's get into the video. Visa Priority Order. Visa Priority Order generally varies between consulates and government regulations. For January 2022, here is the proposed Visa Processing Priority Order in consulates. The topmost priority is for IR3 IR4, international adoption cases. Next priority is for IR2, specifically the immigrant child of a U.S. citizen who will turn 21 in the near future. Next priority is for special immigrant visas for Iraqi and Afghan nationals working for the U.S. government. Next priority is for CR1, IR1, marriage-based green card. Next priority is for IR2, specifically the immigrant child of a U.S. citizen who will not turn 21 in the near future. Next priority is for IR5, parent of a U.S. citizen. Next priority is for K1, fiancé of a U.S. citizen. Next priority is for all other family-based visas and SE1, foreign employees of the U.S. government abroad. Next priority is for all other immigrant visa types including employment-based and diversity visas. Next priority is for H-1B, H-2B, L-1 and TN, non-immigrant employment-based visas. Next priority is for F, M and J, non-immigrant students. Next priority is for E1, E2, treaty trader investor. Next priority is for B1, B2, those eligible for an interview waiver. Last priority is for B1, B2, consulates are currently not processing first-time tourist B visa applicants at all. This applies to countries without serious COVID-related restrictions. As per the State Department, this is due to the backlog situation for other visas. Let's get into next topic. Who is eligible for interview waiver? The USCIS backlog exploded in the past 2 years, reaching more than 8 million pending cases at the end of fiscal year 2021. The closure of U.S. embassies and consulates around the world due to the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic in March 2020 has also led to a staggering green card and U.S. visa backlog at the U.S. Department of State. At the end of 2021, there were more than 9 million applicants stuck in the backlog. It is estimated there are about 7.5 million people waiting in the family-based backlog and 1.6 million on the employment-based side. To ease the situation, interview waivers are announced for immigrant and non-immigrant visa applicants. Immigrant visa interview waivers for family. If the immigrant visa applicant who is applying for the same type of visa, which was previously approved on or after August 4, 2019, need to sign the declaration stating the information is true in DS-260 or DS-360. It also gives consular officers discretion to allow this subset of immigrant visa applicants to affirm the accuracy of the contents of their application without appearing in person before a consular officer. This temporary final rule is effective immediately and expires after 24 months. The rule is designed to help address the problem of applicants who are unable to travel due to the COVID-19 pandemic and who must meet specific time-limited criteria, said the State Department. Non-immigrant interview waivers for employment, student and diversity visa. Department of State announced that the agency has granted consular officers the discretionary power to waive the in-person interview requirement for certain temporary employment non-immigrant visa applicants, provided such applicants have a USCIS-approved petitions. These interview waivers are applicable to individual petition-based H1, H3, H4, L, O, P, and Q employment visa for F, M, and academic J visa applicants, H2 temporary agricultural and non-agricultural worker applicants. 20,000 interview waiver slots. The Department of State has said that the waiver of in-person interviews for the earlier discussed categories of immigrant and non-immigrants will vary widely. In the coming days, the U.S. Embassy and consulates will release more than 20,000 additional interview waiver or drop-box appointments for spring 2022 to allow qualified applicants to make use of the new interview waiver authority. See you soon in our next video with more information.